Within the next 30 years, world food production will increase by at least 70%. These are the estimates of the World Food and Agriculture Organization, based on the growth of the number of inhabitants on planet Earth. Science has already been addressing these two issues. A. The land where primary crops are already grown, such as corn, wheat and soybeans, will have to yield larger quantities, but they will have to do it by using far fewer chemicals and far less water to reduce the environmental impact of this activity. And the solution, which has been around since the 1990s, is called precision agriculture. The Transfarm 4.0 programme is organised into 3 pilot actions, and each involves 2 countries. Pilot 1, Isobus, Austria and Poland. Pilot 2, Sensors, Italy and Slovenia. Pilot 3, Big Data, Austria and Hungary.
I'm Scherhäufl and I'm project manager at the Linz Center of Mechatronics. Our company takes part in the Transfarm 4.0 project, where one of our main tasks is the implementation of Pilot Action 3, which deals with big and smart data management. This topic meets our field of expertise, since we already executed very similar projects, some of them also in the agricultural sector. Based on a previous analysis on the needs of farmers, the aim of this pilot action is to implement a smart data acquisition system for viticulture. By creating such a data acquisition system, the farmers as well as other interested persons can monitor and analyze relevant parameters in the vineyard, and they can act accordingly. The goal is to evaluate different irrigation systems in a model vineyard concerning the canopy microclimate and the physiological plant status. Based on these results, growers can improve the canopy management, which is expected to result in higher quality grapevines with a reduction in farm spending. We decided to create a Fava system to enable smart data acquisition. Fava is an open source platform supported by the European Commission as part of the Digital Agenda 2020. In the system, the sensors are connected to data loggers, which transmit the acquired data via the mobile communications network to a context broker, which is the core component of the Fava system. It gathers, manages, and provides access to the information coming from the sensors. The relevant parameters of the sensors are then visualized on a web server, where the farmers can monitor and analyze them, and they can act accordingly. In addition to the data from the sensors in the field, other parameters can also be integrated into the system. For example, it would be possible to include a weather forecast, or also data from other collaborating farmers. In general, such a system can be used not only on vineyards, but also in other agricultural areas like in crop cultivation, but also in orchards.